You've been driving your Ford for months, maybe years, and you think you know everything it can do. You know how to work the radio, set the cruise control, and connect your phone. But what if your Ford has been quietly sitting on a list of features you've never once touched? Features that could save you time, make your drive safer, reduce stress, and genuinely change the way you use your vehicle every single day. Features that Ford built in, that you already paid for, and that are just sitting there waiting to be discovered. Today we're going through 15 hidden Ford features that most owners never find on their own. Some of these are buried in menus. Some require a button combination nobody thinks to try. Some are capabilities that Ford barely mentions in the marketing, and somehow never make it into normal conversation at the dealership. By the end of this video, you're going to look at your Ford completely differently. Let's get into it. Feature 1. One-touch windows. All four, not just the drivers. Most Ford owners know that the driver's window has a one-touch down function. Press the button past the first click, and the window drops all the way without holding it. What almost nobody realizes is that many Ford models with power windows on all four doors can be programmed so that every window operates with that same one-touch convenience, not just the drivers. The way this works varies slightly by model year, but on many sync-equipped Fords, you can enable this through the Vehicle Settings menu, or in some cases by holding the window button in the fully open position for several seconds until you hear a confirmation chime. Once enabled, passengers can use their own windows with the same one-touch ease that the driver enjoys. It seems like a small thing until a summer afternoon when someone in the back seat is fumbling with a window on a hot parking lot exit, and then it feels like a very obvious quality of life upgrade you should have known about from day one. Feature 2. MyKey, the parental control system built into your fob. MyKey is one of Ford's most genuinely useful features and consistently one of the least used, because most owners who don't have teenage drivers assume it has nothing to offer them. MyKey allows you to program a specific key fob with restrictions and settings that activate automatically whenever that key is used to start the vehicle. With MyKey enabled on a secondary fob, you can cap the top speed the vehicle will reach, set a maximum audio volume so music can't be cranked past a safe level, ensure that the seatbelt reminder chimes persistently until buckled, and even disable certain audio entertainment until the seatbelts are fastened. For families with young drivers, this is a safety system that costs nothing extra and requires no monthly subscription. But MyKey isn't only for parents. Employers who use a personal Ford for occasional employee use, anyone who loans their vehicle regularly, or anyone who simply wants to set sensible defaults for a specific driver can benefit from it. It's already in your car. The setup takes about 5 minutes through the instrument cluster menu. Feature 3. Trailer sway control. Active safety nobody talks about. If you tow anything with your Ford, a camper, a boat trailer, a cargo trailer, you need to know that your vehicle likely has trailer sway control built in as part of its electronic stability system. And you need to know exactly what it does, because in the right moment, it can prevent a genuinely dangerous situation from becoming catastrophic. Trailer sway control monitors the vehicle's movement and detects when a trailer begins to oscillate side to side, the kind of dangerous fishtailing that can happen at highway speeds when a trailer's weight distribution is off, or when a sudden wind gust or steering input upsets the trailer's stability. When the system detects sway developing, it automatically applies selective braking to individual wheels, and, if necessary, reduces engine power to bring the vehicle and trailer back into a controlled straight line. Most owners who tow have no idea this system is working behind the scenes. They assume stability during towing is purely about their own driving skill. Knowing this system exists, keeping it enabled, and understanding that it needs to be paired with proper trailer loading and weight distribution to work at its best, that knowledge makes you a meaningfully safer person behind the wheel with a trailer attached. Feature 4. Adaptive cruise control gap. Setting memory. If your Ford is equipped with adaptive cruise control, the version that automatically maintains a following distance from the vehicle ahead rather than just holding a fixed speed, it has a gap setting that controls how much space the system maintains. Most owners set this once, wonder if it changed after a restart, and periodically readjust it without realizing that the system actually remembers your last used setting across ignition cycles on most model years. But the feature within the feature that almost nobody uses is the ability to pair your gap preference with a specific MyKey profile or driver profile if your model supports driver profiles through the sync system. Different drivers in the same household can have the adaptive cruise control default to different following distances based on which profile is active. The cautious driver in your household doesn't have to keep adjusting the setting that the more confident highway driver changed. It's a small convenience that adds up significantly over the lifetime of sharing a vehicle. Feature 5. FordPass app. Remote features, far more than remote start. The FordPass app gets promoted heavily around the remote start functions, and most owners who download it use it almost exclusively for that one feature. What they miss is that FordPass on compatible models is essentially a full remote vehicle management system that extends well beyond starting the engine from inside the house. Through FordPass, you can check your vehicle's exact fuel level and range from anywhere, lock and unlock all doors remotely, check whether any doors or windows were left open, locate the vehicle on a map, useful in large parking lots or if a family member has the car, and on some models receive alerts when the vehicle moves beyond a set geographic boundary. For newer Ford vehicles with Sync 4 and FordPass Power Promise connectivity, the app can also show live charging status for electrified models and even help schedule charging during off-peak electricity rate hours. The app is free, the features are already built into your vehicle's connectivity hardware, and yet the majority of FordPass users tap the remote start button and never explore the rest of the dashboard. Feature 6. Hill Start Assist, the feature doing work you don't notice. Hill Start Assist is one of those features that operates so smoothly and unobtrusively that most drivers never realize it's happening. When you stop on an incline and begin moving your foot from the brake to the accelerator, there is a brief moment where the vehicle could roll backward before the drivetrain fully engages, particularly on steeper grades or in stop-and-go traffic on a hill. Hill Start Assist holds the brake pressure automatically for a short window after you release the pedal, giving you time to apply throttle without any backward roll occurring. Most Ford owners who have this feature, and it's present across a wide range of models in the lineup, have never had a rollback moment in their car and assume it's because of their own smooth brake-to-throttle transitions. In many cases, the Hill Start Assist is doing that work for them invisibly. Understanding what it does helps you trust it consciously, rather than benefiting from it accidentally. It also helps you notice immediately if it stops functioning correctly, which would otherwise be easy to overlook until you're on a steep ramp in heavy traffic and something feels wrong. Feature 7. Auto High Beams. Smarter nighttime driving on autopilot. Auto high beams, available on many Ford models equipped with the forward-facing camera system, are a feature that the Sync setup screen mentions, and most owners immediately forget about. The system uses the forward camera to detect the headlights of oncoming vehicles and the taillights of vehicles ahead, automatically switching from high beams to low beams when other drivers are detected, and then switching back to high beams when the road ahead is clear again. The result is that you get maximum visibility during long nighttime stretches on unlit roads without the social failure of blinding every driver coming toward you. The system is genuinely fast and reliable on most model years, but the reason most owners never benefit from it is that it requires the auto high beam function to be activated through the lighting settings in the instrument cluster or sync menu, and then the stalk on the steering column has to be in the correct position for auto to be active. Many owners who were handed the keys at the dealership and never walked through the lighting settings are driving at night on manual high beams. Feature 8. Sync voice commands for climate control. Ford's Sync voice command system gets used almost exclusively for phone calls and music selection. The built-in voice recognition is capable of handling significantly more complexity than that, and climate control is one of the most useful applications that almost nobody tries. Rather than reaching for the temperature dial or fan speed controls while driving, a distraction that takes your eyes off the road, Sync on most current Ford models can process natural-sounding climate commands. Saying something like set temperature to 72 or increase fan speed or turn on the rear defroster will execute those adjustments hands-free without requiring you to navigate through any menus. On models with dual-zone climate control, you can specify driver and passenger zones independently through voice. This isn't a gimmick feature. It's a genuinely safer way to manage cabin comfort while keeping your eyes forward and your hands on the wheel. The reason it goes unused is that most people tried the voice system once for something, had a mediocre experience, decided voice commands were unreliable, and never revisited it. The climate control application tends to work far more consistently than music searches or address entry, and it's worth trying. Feature 9. Easy entry and exit seat memory. On Ford models equipped with memory seats, common in higher trim levels of the Explorer, Edge, F-150, and others, there is an easy entry and exit function that most owners either disable by accident or never enable in the first place. When active, this feature automatically moves the driver's seat rearward when the ignition is turned off, creating additional space to step out of the vehicle comfortably. When you return and start the vehicle, the seat automatically returns to your saved memory position. For taller drivers, for anyone with limited mobility, or simply for anyone who has ever banged their knee on the steering wheel while trying to exit a vehicle quickly, this feature changes the daily experience of getting in and out of the car in a way that sounds trivial until you use it every single day. The setting is found in the Driver Assistance or Seat Settings section of the Sync menu on most models. It can also be set to activate only when the seatbelt is unbuckled, giving you slightly more control over when the movement occurs. Feature 10. Pre-Collision Assist Sensitivity Adjustment. Ford's Pre-Collision Assist system, which monitors the road ahead and warns you of an impending collision, applying automatic braking if you don't respond, has an adjustable sensitivity setting that almost nobody touches after initial setup. The system offers multiple sensitivity levels that control how far in advance of a potential hazard the alerts begin and how assertively the automatic braking intervenes. Some drivers find the default sensitivity too aggressive for their normal driving environment, the system braking or alerting in situations that feel controlled to them, and they end up becoming irritated and switching it off entirely rather than simply adjusting the sensitivity to a more comfortable level. Others would benefit from a more proactive setting but don't know one exists. The adjustment is found in the Driver Assistance section of the Sync Settings menu. Finding the sensitivity level that works with your driving style means you get the genuine safety benefit of the system without the frustration that causes so many drivers to disable it. A disabled safety system is worse than no safety system because you stop compensating for it on your own. Feature 11. Cargo Management via the Sync touchscreen on trucks. F-150 and Ranger owners, this one is specifically for you. Ford's Sync system on current generation trucks includes a cargo management and payload monitoring interface that connects to available in-bed sensors and the truck's onboard computing to give you real-time information about your payload and help you manage towing and loading decisions more intelligently. Beyond the payload display, the Sync system on these trucks also controls the Pro Power onboard outlets if your truck is equipped with them, allowing you to manage power output, monitor how much power is being drawn, and configure which outlets are active without having to physically locate a separate panel or control box in the bed. This interface also integrates with the available tailgate step and power tailgate functions, giving you a centralized touchscreen location to manage nearly every capability the bed of the truck offers. Most truck owners operate these features from individual physical controls and never realize the Sync integration ties all of it together in one place. Feature 12. Intelligent Oil Life Monitor. Trust it more than you do. Ford's Intelligent Oil Life Monitoring system calculates when your oil actually needs changing based on how you drive, not based on a fixed mileage interval that assumes everyone drives under the same conditions. The system factors in engine temperature cycles, load, idle time, short trip frequency, and numerous other variables to estimate oil degradation in real time and alert you when a change is genuinely due. Most Ford owners ignore this system entirely and stick to whatever mileage interval they've always used, often 3,000 miles, which for a modern Hyundai-level quality engine with full synthetic oil is almost certainly unnecessary. Others do the opposite and push well past the Oil Life Monitor's alert because they don't fully trust it. The system is genuinely well engineered and worth trusting within the parameters Ford has set. Changing your oil unnecessarily costs money and generates waste. Running it past the monitor's recommendation without good reason creates real risk. The Oil Life Monitor, used as Ford intended, finds the right balance, and most owners never let it do its job. Feature 13. Rear View Camera Washer. If you have it, use it. On certain Ford models equipped with a rear-view camera and the available camera washer system, particularly on higher trim trucks and SUVs, there is a small washer jet that can spray the camera lens clean when it becomes obscured by mud, rain, or road grime. This feature is operated either through the reverse camera display interface or through a dedicated control, and it makes a dramatic difference in camera visibility during bad weather or after driving on unpaved roads. The reason most owners never use it is simple: they don't know it exists. The camera gets dirty, the image gets blurry, and they accept it as a limitation of camera technology rather than recognizing that their specific vehicle has a solution built in. If your Ford has a rear camera and you've ever driven it in muddy conditions, check whether your model has this feature in the camera settings or through the sync interface. If it's there, a quick spray and wipe returns the camera to full clarity in seconds. Feature 14. Guard Mode via FordPass on the Mach-E and F-150 Lightning. For owners of Ford's electric vehicles, the Mustang Mach-E and the F-150 Lightning, there is a Guard Mode security feature accessible through the FordPass app that goes well beyond a standard alarm system. When Guard Mode is activated, the vehicle uses its onboard cameras and sensors to monitor the exterior environment while parked. If motion is detected near the vehicle, or if someone interacts with the doors or charging port, the vehicle logs the event, records video clips if cameras are present, and sends an alert to your FordPass app. This is particularly valuable in public charging situations, where the vehicle may be parked unattended for extended periods in locations you're not familiar with. It's also useful in parking structures or on street parking where vehicle security is a genuine concern. The feature is active only when the vehicle is parked and locked with Guard Mode enabled through the app, and it does not affect charging or any other vehicle functions while active. Given that it requires nothing beyond the FordPass app connection that owners already have, the number of Lightning and Mach-E owners who have never activated Guard Mode even once is remarkably high. Feature 15. SecuriCode Keyless Entry. Keypad, the emergency access. You forgot you have the SecuriCode keypad. That column of buttons on the driver's side door pillar is one of Ford's longest-running and most practical features, and it is consistently among the most forgotten. Every Ford vehicle equipped with SecuriCode has a 5-digit factory code printed on a sticker inside the vehicle, typically visible through the driver's door jamb area or noted in the owner's documentation. This factory code never changes and can always be used to unlock the car, regardless of whether you have your key fob on you. Beyond the factory code, you can program a personal code of your choosing through the Instrument Cluster menu, a code that family members can memorize, that you can share with someone who needs occasional access to your vehicle, or that you can use yourself if you ever lock your keys inside. SecuriCode also allows you to enable a feature where entering the code unlocks the door but does not allow the vehicle to start, which is useful if you want to give someone access to retrieve items from the car without giving them driving access. Most Ford owners with this keypad either forgot the factory code exists, never programmed a personal code, or are only dimly aware that the buttons do anything at all. It is one of the most practically useful features on any Ford vehicle, and it takes about 3 minutes to set up properly. The bottom line. Here's the bottom line. Ford packs a remarkable amount of technology, convenience, and safety capability into their vehicles, technology that owners pay for at the point of purchase and then never fully use because nobody walked them through it at the dealership. It isn't prominently featured in advertising, and it's buried deep enough in menus that casual exploration doesn't always surface it. From MyKey to Guard Mode, from the auto high beams to the SecuriCode keypad, from pre-collision sensitivity adjustment to the cargo management system in your truck, these are not experimental features or beta tests. They are production-ready systems that Ford's engineers designed, tested, and shipped specifically to make your ownership experience better, safer, and more convenient. The best thing you can do after watching this is open your owner's manual or the Ford owner's website for your specific model and spend 30 minutes actually reading the features list. You will almost certainly find something on that list that you paid for and have never once used. That feature is sitting in your vehicle right now, waiting. Go find it. And if this video helped you discover something you didn't know your Ford could do, share it with someone else who's been missing out. We'll see you in the next one.